guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fursuit eyes. Now I forgot to record the first part, but basically what I do is I just trace my eye shape onto polypropylene plastic sheets, and then I also cut out a rim of the eye. Now I am actually going to be upgrading to 3D printed eyes, but I wanted to make this tutorial for you guys to show you another way that you can make them if you don't have access to a 3D printer. So basically, yeah, just cut out these pieces. The rim is just the length around the outside of the eye, and I just glue it on. This takes quite a long time and it can be really fiddly, so just go really slowly and be nice and careful not to burn yourself and not to get glue everywhere. Once you have that glued on, you should have a nice looking little eye. Now I take buckram material, you can get this at most craft stores, and I trace out the inside of my eye, and I just have the colours that I want. These eyes are going to be purple. I have 3 different shades of purple. I have a medium, a dark, and a light. I start with the medium colour and I just colour in the entire eye circly bit. And these are just acrylic paints that I'm using. I also paint the backs of the eyes. This just helps them to be able to be seen through better. If you have a dark colour, it's just easy to colour in the back. Now I also just take a smaller circle and align it into the middle of the eye, and that's going to be the pupil, so I paint that black. You want to make sure that your layers dry in between changing colours. Then go in with the lighter colour and create some highlights. I just do this on one side of the eyes. And then with the darker colour, I just go around the rim, creating a sort of a shadow around the whole thing. I'm not super crazy complex with my eyes, I'm not an amazing painter, but this gives them a nice bit of definition. Once that is entirely dry, I go in with the white paint and add the highlights. It's really important to make sure that your paint is dry before putting white because it'll go muddy super quickly, and I just make sure to do a couple of coats of that to make sure it's nice and bright. Once they're done, they should look something like this. And I just cut those out with a bit of a rim for gluing, and I mark them on my eyes where I want them to sit, and I just hot glue them on. Make sure that your highlights are all facing the right way. I did accidentally do one of the eyes the wrong way, but I fixed this after I finished recording. And just insert them into your head base. And I just glue around them like this. It just gives them a nice bit of security without having to get glue everywhere. And then I just trim around the eyes a little bit to make it a bit more cohesive, and we're done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!